Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, so what is law? Well, law generally bear the rules laid down by the state or governing body that called in the United States, that called be the federal state or local government, and they govern our behavior as individual subject to that law, but they are a little bit the concept of law was a little bit broader than that. Basically, law is societal norms that is the way that society believes, and ultimately, those beliefs as to how we should conduct ourselves are codified or represented in rules or laws that are generally applicable to society by and religion. They are the religious social force that refers or conduce or interaction among us other in society. So, what is generally the effect of law? Well, aside from it guiding or behavior, it creates a certain level of confidence or trust as to how we can interact or what we can do in society, and in that way law is the dominant force behind how business develops.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Delta Zahra. We undertake some level of activity with the confidence, knowing what the rules are as to what we can do, and what others can and can do in relationship to us. That is, we can enforce our rights or have right enforced again as through the law. Now, so that brings us to a question of what is the rule of law? Well, rule of law is the concept that law applies generally to the public equally to all, that it does not show preferences toward individuals based on any characteristic such as socioeconomic status, race, or religion, gender, that the law applies plainly, and again that gives us confidence. It allows us to progress in the system. To give you a quick example, we buy stock in corporation that with system. To give a never seen. Often times we don't even receive the stock certificate. Thank you.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Giva Nafisa. Now we have enough confidence in the system to know that piece of ownership, that equity interest, that stock share provides us with right that we can enforce through the legal system to gain or right granted by that stock share. The level of confidence could not exist if we did not know that there is a mechanism by which we can enforce our rights. And against that, because it's generally applicable to us, and we have that means or measure to protect ourselves or secure that interest that we seek out in relationship with others. And in that way, it drives productivity, progress, economic activity in society. So in summary, that concept of law is quite broad, is more than rules, but it's societal norms that are generally applied to all. And those norms allow us confidence and trust, and that in turn allows for progress in the market in our economic system. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.